Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable the "This file is dangerous, Chrome has blocked it" downloading prompt in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see 3 vertical dots stacked on top of each other. This is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where you can customize how your browser behaves and adjust various features to suit your needs. Once you're in the settings page, look at the left sidebar where you'll find different categories. Click on Privacy and Security from this menu. This section contains all the options related to how Chrome protects your browsing data and handles potentially harmful downloads. Within the Privacy and Security section, you'll see several options listed. Click on Security to access Chrome's protection settings. This is where you can control how Chrome warns you about dangerous sites and files. Now, here's the important part. You'll see 3 radio button options for Chrome's protection levels. Click on the radio button next to No Protection. This option completely disables Chrome's safe browsing feature, which is why it will allow the blocked download to proceed without warnings. After you select No Protection, a confirmation message will immediately appear on your screen. Chrome wants to make sure you understand that disabling this feature means you won't be protected from dangerous sites and downloads. This is an important security feature, so Chrome wants your explicit confirmation before turning it off. In the confirmation dialog, click Turn Off to proceed. Once you do this, Chrome's download blocking feature will be disabled, and your download should now go through without any warnings or blocks. Now you can go back to your download and try it again. It should proceed without Chrome blocking it. However, this is a crucial step. Once your download is complete, you need to immediately go back into the security settings. Click the radio button for either Standard Protection or Enhanced Protection to turn Chrome's security features back on. This ensures you stay protected from genuinely harmful downloads in the future. And that's it. Your problem is now fixed. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.